Namaste and welcome to Shreem Occult. Many people have requested me to make this video. It is about government job. Whether you have the yogas, the combination in your chart which support you to join a government job, or even it can be a business or it can be a work which is very much related to government, like filling up a tender which is a government tender, then getting that work and fulfilling it. So there are many jobs that require government support. So we'll discuss whether you can do government job or you have a work which will be very heavily associated with the government, and second, what would be the remedies if you have this combination and you want to fast track the process. You're applying for the jobs and you want to get it, so what remedies can you do to get the result as early as possible? So let's start this video. Before we begin, let's just clear out the biggest misconception that people have, and that is related to sun. We all know that sun represents government, but there are many astrologers or there are many practitioners who, what they would say when they see that the sun is not well placed in your chart, they will directly go ahead and declare that you cannot do a government job. This is completely false. There have been many people with a debilitated sun or sun in a problematic situation. Still, they got into government jobs and are doing good in that. So this is not the criteria. There are different positions, conditions, aspect, many things has to be considered, and then you can go for the government job. So just looking at sun and if it's afflicted in the chart doesn't mean that it is a no for government job. You can still do it. And also remember, both the luminaries are representative of government, both are royal parties. Now let's go to the combinations, right? So the first combination is related to third house lord. If third house lord is in the 10th house, right? Third house lord in the 10th house, and the second combination is fifth house lord in the 10th house. Okay, now why this combination? See, fourth house is the house of masses, right? Now what is the loss to the masses? The loss to the masses would be represented by the 12th house from it, which is going to be the third house. So your salary which you are going to get as a government employee would be paid out from the taxes of the masses, taxes of the people residing in that country. So their loss is going to be your gain in this department. So third house lord is a very prominent. You can check this in multiple charts. You may know people who are in government job. You can just check this. There are very good chances that you'll find this link in one of the highest predictor of government job. Second, I said fifth house lord in the 10th house. Now why fifth house lord? Second house is the house of finances. So finances of the masses will be managed, controlled by you. So that becomes your job. So that is why fifth house becomes a very prominent, and especially fifth house should form a very important connection with the 10th house in order to promise you a government job. Now these are not the two options only, there are many other options, but these are the two main ones that I have observed in multiple charts when I've checked this technique. Second, another observation would be first house lord, that is your lagna lord, ascendant lord, going into the 10th house, and your ninth house lord going into the 10th house. Fourth house is the house of masses, and ninth house is the sixth house from his service job related to it. So you can make a connection over there as well. I'm just giving you a hint related to it for all the people who are very much interested in astrology. So these two combinations also very much support government jobs. Now there are some more combinations that we can go ahead and check. You can check in D9 also. If sun is in own sign, which is Leo, in D9, then also it represents a government job. Another thing would be, you can find out your Atmakarka in D1 and check the Atmakarka in D9. And if Sun is situated over there, then also it is a yes for government job. Secondly, Sun and Venus making combination in D9, or Venus prominently associated with these combinations that I've just mentioned, also suggests that you can go for government job. Now, sun we all know is government. We are very clear on that. Why Venus? Venus is the seal of the government. So that seal of government is going to be Venus. So Venus also plays a very important role when it comes to governing. Now, not only limited to this, if you generally have Sun Mars combination or Sun Ketu combination in your chart, these are the individuals that I've seen. These were prominent combination when I was looking at the chart of people who were in government job for making this video, researching for it. So Sun Ketu and Sun Mars conjunction also represents working with the government, working under the government, for the government. And apart from this, if you have Sun in the second house, like right here, or in the 11th house. So in the second house or in the 11th house is your income, right? So you can get the income from the government. Second house is also the house of your wealth. So having Sun over there, that means your wealth will be coming from the government. So these are some of the subtle, you can say, indications that a person may go into government job. Now, these are some of the specifics that you can go ahead and check. You're going to find it in majority of the chart. There are other combinations also, but these are the simple, most easy one that you guys can go ahead and check in your chart. Now, it is also important to give you this pointer that dasha is very important. When you're starting your career, when you're about to begin your career, your dasha should be supporting this. So your dasha should be making a connection related to this, so that you can go ahead and do a government job. Now, this was something related to finding out whether you have this combination or not. But suppose you have this combination, right? You can go ahead, you can apply for government jobs, you can appear for competitive exams, or depends what type of job you are attending. So you can go ahead, clear it out, go for NDA, and you can do a lot of things. Now, what are the remedies that can support? So let's talk about remedies. First remedy would be a very brilliant one, to wear 12 Mukhi Rudraksh. Suppose you're preparing for your government, to apply to a government job, preparing for government job, this is the best time to wear a 12 Mukhi Rudraksh. It can be one bead also. You can go ahead and wear it. It is going to give you mind-blowing results, because it is going to give you a lot of favor from the government. So this is a very brilliant remedy. Apart from this, you can also keep Ashoka stump or Ashoka pillar, right? So you have seen Ashoka pillar, you have seen that lion head, four-faced lion head. You can keep that in the northwest direction of your home. So you can stand at the center of your home, right? You can calculate what is the center of your home. Stand in the middle, open your compass and check the northwest direction. Suppose northwest direction is this side. So anywhere in that direction, you can keep it on the table. Only thing to consider, it should be made of brass. It is very easily available. You can just Google it and you will get it on majority of e-commerce site. Another remedy is to find out, this can be a little difficult for some, you have to find out the 27th nakshatra from your birth nakshatra, from your janma nakshatra. So you have to find out the which nakshatra becomes the 27th nakshatra. Right? Suppose your moon is in Jyeshtha, so that is your birth nakshatra. Now from Jyeshtha, just calculate the 27th nakshatra. That nakshatra has a lot of properties, like suppose every nakshatra has a tree, so you can plant that tree. Some may even have a plant, so you can just plant it. So you can do plantation of that, and that is one of the remedy. Other remedies can also be suggested, but that depends upon the nakshatra. So that remedies also you can do, that is going to support you in your government job. Another remedy I can give you that can be a little bit easier one. You can use wheat. So you can make it a flour, and in that flour what you can do is you can make small balls of wheat flour, and you can feed it to fishes, right? This is one of the good remedies to get support from the government. You can do any one of these, you can do all of these are the general remedies. These are not going to backfire at you. So now this was something that can indicate how you can go for government job and what remedies you can do to attain that position. Now every chart is different, so we can look at the chart, we can formulate new remedies that are going to work beautifully for you. For that, the only option is to go for consultation, because it is not possible to teach all of this information via a YouTube video. But I've tried my level best to give out some sort of information that you can check in your own charts or in the charts of people who are into government jobs, right? So I've tried to provide a very simple view. If you have any doubt, please make a comment. I'll definitely reply over there. Please like, share and subscribe this video. I'll come up with a new video. Till then, namaste.